going on, you guys? It's George and welcome back to my channel. Or welcome to my channel. My name is George. Today, guys, we're trying out a Himalayan salt inhaler. You're probably thinking, what the heck? Well, this was actually gifted to me by one of my good friends, Michael. Hey girl. And I've had this for quite some time. I just haven't had the chance to use it, and recently my allergies have been wild. So I remembered I had this and I was like, oh my god, this should come in handy. I've been experiencing some congestion issues, and you'll probably hear it in this video because I sound really stuffy, kind of like Eliza Thornberry. Not cute. We're gonna try out and review this Himalayan salt inhaler together and see if this is the miracle worker that it claims to be. So if you're interested in my experience, then keep on watching. Guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also notification bell to keep up to date on my latest videos. Now, this therapy device, this inhaler, first off guys, I've never used an inhaler once in my life. I've been fortunate enough to never experience anything like asthma or like short breath or anything of that nature, so I'm blessed. So today you are going to experience a first try of me ever using an inhaler. And that's what this is. So this is said to benefit quite a bit. It promotes mental calmness and relieving stress. We all need that. Helps sinus ailments. That's what I'm going through. Cleanses the respiratory system, promotes sounder sleep, may help with mucus buildup. Gross. Provides relief when you breathe, and useful for people with asthma, of course. So this is said to do a number of things that are very important. We all want to breathe the right way, right? So yeah, my friend actually picked this up at TJ Maxx, and I also found this on Amazon for $18. Not too bad. I'm not sure how much it went for at TJ, but this is by Natural Solution, and I'm not familiar at all with that brand, but when I did look at the reviews, they were pretty decent. So let's dive in, guys. Let's check this out. Box-wise presentation looks pretty cool, looks pretty legit, does not look cheap. The back does give directions, which we'll go through in just a moment. And it does say the purposes, warnings, all that stuff. The box also provides the contents, what comes in this, and it has the Himalayan salt inhaler, Himalayan pink salt 2 free refill packets, which is great, instruction manual, and a storage bag. Love that. So, box, cute. Let's open it up. Alright. Right away I see the bag that it comes in. Oh, and there's the salt. This is literally just like the salt that I put in my grinder for salt you put on food. Oh, there's the second one, and there is the bag. Let me just grab the manual while we're at it. There it is. All right, so this pretty much has the same directions that are on the box. So I'm just gonna go with the box because the print is bigger, and let's open it up. First off, this bag is definitely nice quality. This is a little suede moment. Appreciate that. And just feeling the inhaler. This is ceramic, which is great quality. Do not drop ceramic. It breaks very easily. Highly fragile. But I have to say, it definitely does not look cheap. I have no idea how I'm gonna use this. There's a little hole right here. My god. There's no... I thought there was gonna be a place where you put batteries and it's gonna do something like electronic, but no, not at all. Yeah, let's read those directions. What we're gonna do here is step 1, rinse it with warm water. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, so it's rinsed, it's dry. Step 2 is dry completely. Done. 3 is fill it with coarse salt. Oh, and it's showing in the bottom right here, so we're gonna put it in that thing. Simple enough. We have a little packet of salt here. Let's put some in. Doesn't smell fancy or anything. Doesn't say how much you put in the device, so I'm just gonna wing it. Fill it with coarse salt. So when it says fill it, I'm guessing it means the whole thing. Alright, it's filled. We're good. 4 is ready for use. And it just shows the girl inhaling it. Not gonna lie, I'm just a little nervous, just a tad. Okay, so let's inhale. Do I suck in the air? I don't know what the heck I'm doing. Breathing in air through the inhaler relieves breathing distress caused by pollen allergies, secondhand smoke, asthma, and sinus problems. So I guess you just breathe it in and swallow the air? I don't know what I feel. I don't know what this is doing to me. I'm gonna do a couple more of these. Just bear with me. Alright, I taste salt on that one. Oh god. Alright guys, I inhaled this a few times, maybe like 10 times. I feel pretty good. I don't think this is a miracle worker, but I feel relieved. I feel like calm. I feel at peace. I feel nice. I must say this was pretty cool to try. I'm happy that I have this. I'm all about a head relief remedy. This is natural. It's pretty cool. And Himalayan salt, I never would have thought to inhale it. I mean, I probably have like 4 Himalayan salt lamps around my place. Love them. They're cool. They're therapeutic. They have a nice little glow. They don't really calm my anxiety. I don't know if my anxiety is like way too intense to be relieved by a salt lamp, but they're nice. I like the orange glow. It's pretty. So we're gonna go with that. Would I recommend you guys to try this out? Yeah, why not? I mean, it's legal. You can inhale it. It looks pretty cool. I'm excited to keep using this. First impression wise, I mean, I don't feel amazing, but I don't feel like this doesn't work. I don't know. If you guys want to check this out, I'll leave a link in the description down below where I found this online. If not, stroll into your local like TJ Maxx, Marshalls. You may find it there like how my friend did. But this was fun, guys. I had fun trying this out. On the whole like Zen vibe, I promise I would never get one of these because I thought they were just trendy. And I am a true crystal worshiper, in my opinion. I love the whole, the beauty of crystals and the religion of its own. But I got one of these. This is a jade roller. I haven't used it yet. It was only $5.99. It also came with the little rock that you put like underneath your eyes and like dab. I don't know. This is by Pro Tools by Beauty Spots. Never heard of them. I'm not even sure if this is real jade, but I don't know. It was $5.99. We're going to try it out. But that is it for this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Hopefully it was helpful. Hopefully this inspired you to check out a Himalayan salt inhaler. Just like this. If not, sorry about it. But if you enjoyed this, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you are not already, please subscribe to my channel. That is much appreciated. Goes a long way. Share this video. Share the love. Hit the notification bell because I upload videos weekly. So you might as well follow me on this YouTube journey. Also, my Instagram is in one of these corners. So give it a follow if you want. But until next time, guys, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive, of course. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.